I'll buy anything you can carry.
I'm gonna spend at least $100.
And she wasn't lying, spending over $40 on the first 3 items. But what she doesn't know is I stole her credit card, so she'll be the one paying.
We're not going with the big one, right?
I guess might as well go big or go home.
Yeah!
I mean, it's not like I can afford a Mr. Beast video. I don't even have 1% of his subscribers.
Can I also have one lobster? The biggest one that you have. She's paying for that today.
But the more items she got, the harder it was to carry.
It's funny. We need to go to the cash register.
Are you sure? Because I was able to easily convince her to get more stuff.
One more thing. I can't hold it anymore. One more.
I said one more thing 10 times ago. I think you should check out. Honestly, with how much stuff she got, I feel bad how much this is gonna cost. Okay, let's pay.
I asked you what you doing in my purse. You tricked me.